জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী, জয় বিশালাক্ষী, জয়। অন্ধকারে চাঁদ হারালো, অন্ধকারে চাঁদ হারালো, নিঝুম রাতে ভয় ঘনালো। বাতাস এসে ঝড়ের খেলায় মাতে, বাতাস এসে ঝড়ের খেলায় মাতে। পরাণ যে মা কাঁপছে দেখো ভয়ের হাত ছানিতে, ভয়ের হাত ছানিতে। দাও মা শক্তি, দাও মা বরা ভয়, তোমার নামে ভয়কে করব জয় মাগো, ভয়কে করব জয় মাগো, ভয়কে করব জয়। সর্বনাশে নাশ করব মা, অভয় দায়িনী মা, আমার বিপদ তারিণী মা। তোমার রাঙা চরণ তলে ঠাঁই কি দেবে না, ঠাঁই কি দেবে না, আমায় ঠাঁই কি দেবে না, মাগো ঠাঁই কি দেবে না।
Keep quiet. What are you doing here? You were asked to go away from here, right? You yourself said that you would go away from here, right? Then why are you sitting here?
I have left the house. I am not inside the house. So can't I sit here?
No, you can't. If you get into trouble while sitting here, who will be responsible for it? We will be responsible. You've already created a lot of problems for us. Please don't add on to it.
It's not me who's in trouble, it's you. That is why I'm not able to leave this place.
Keep quiet. Just keep quiet. I'm tired of listening to this. You go away from here. Go.
Please go inside. Otherwise you will get drenched and fall.
Hey, I don't care. I'll fall ill. I'll get into trouble. That's my problem. And you listen to me very carefully. I am no one to you. Okay? Now hold it. Hold it, I said.
Are you really no one to me? Then why did you get an umbrella for me? You gave me the umbrella and are getting drenched. Why?
Keep quiet. Just keep quiet. I don't want to listen to anything. You can spend the night here, but go away from here in the morning. I don't want to see your face when I wake up in the morning. Santosh! Balu! Where are you all?
What happened, sir? What happened?
Where were you all? You're asking me? What are you doing inside, leaving a girl outside? Don't you have any responsibility?
We actually told her to come inside.
I don't want any excuses. Guard Trinayani until she's outside. It is your responsibility. She shouldn't face any problems. Keep this in mind.
He can't tolerate me. Then why did he scold them for me? Means Drupta is not as strict as he appears to be. He gave me the umbrella and left. He got drenched just like me. Oh no.
Deepu! Deepu! You are there? What are you doing there?
I am not able to sit any longer. Why am I feeling uneasy?
Deepu, come in. Come in. If you get drenched in the rain, you might get a fever. Don't get drenched in the rain.
Dad, do you see Mom in your dreams?
Why are you asking me this all of a sudden?
I saw her. Today. Actually, a while ago. Mom came and sat beside me.
People saw those in their dreams about whom they think of. It means Deepu still thinks about Kalpana.
Dad, do you remember? On the first day of the rainy season, Mom and I used to come to the terrace and get drenched. Mom used to say we shouldn't miss the first rain of the year. We used to have so much fun. And you would stand near the door and forbid us to get drenched. And on such occasions, Mom would also behave like a kid. She wouldn't go inside. And today I am reminded of those days, Dad. That's why I came to the terrace. Dad, you don't get drenched in the rain. Go in or you might fall in.
Kalpana is not with us. But on this rainy day, she has come to us to see father and son's relation. Deepu, you and your mom are getting drenched. Let me also get drenched with you. Kalpana, Deepu is thinking about you after so many years. It happened after Trinani's arrival. Trinani came and rekindled your memories in Deepu's heart. Kalpana, I also realized that Sanjukta still hasn't been able to destroy his innocent heart completely. Does that mean Deepu will think about Trinani too? One day, Kalpana, will he bring her back into his life?
Ma'am, what has happened to you? We dozed off in the morning But you should have called us. You should have told us that you are not well. Ma'am, are you running a fever?
Mom, I was splitting. I just can't take it
Brother
anymore.
Dripto? Oh no. What happened to you? Are you in pain?
No. Actually, I've got a little fever. I'll be fine, you don't worry.
No, no. I'm fine. You didn't get drenched because of me, did you?
You are thinking about us even in this condition. Oh my, you are badly shivering. What should we do now? You won't go in for sure, right? I think we have to do something. Hey, go and get some wood and hardwoods. We need to light a fire. Mr. Dripto gave us the responsibility of taking care of her. She is quite unwell. We should inform the family, right? You stay near the gate, I'll go and inform them.
What is this? You're burning up. You have a high temperature. I get it. I'm sure you drank cold water from the fridge, right? Wait, I'll get some medicine.
No, I don't want anything. I'll be fine, you don't worry.
Are you sure? You don't need medicine.
I don't need it. Rangana, I have one request. Please don't inform Mom about this. Or else she'll be tensed.
Brother, you take care. You take good care of yourself. I'm going. I'll come to see you again.
Sir, can you please come out with me? Ma'am has got a high fever. She's shivering badly.
Who? Who got a fever?
Ma'am, Mr. Dripto's wife.
Quiet! Just keep quiet. What nonsense are you talking about?
Do you mean... Are you talking about my friend? Hasn't she left? Where is she?
She's sitting outside the house. She has a fever and is trembling. I can't bear to see this.
Now, will you be quiet?
Uncle! Mother! I think we should try to control her fever. Both of them have got a fever.
What do you mean by both?
I mean, here, my friend has a fever and then Dripto has also got a fever. Mother, do you see how strong their bond is? Oh no. Dripto forbade me to tell mother about his fever.
Deepu? When did Deepu get fever?
Won't they get a fever? Both of them got drenched last night in the rain. Stop. What's this? Why is the girl sitting on the road? Hey, take the car back. Hello, excuse me. Excuse me.
Inspector?
What are you doing here? Why are you sitting outside? Tell me. Have the family members ousted you? Strange.
Sanjukta, we have to do something about this. I can't take this headache anymore.
Yesterday I thought your family members were trying to frame you. Tell me what exactly has happened. You can tell me, come on. Did your family members torture you? No, you tell me if they tortured you. They cannot throw a woman out of the house, you know, it's illegal. Oh, listen. If you have any complaints against them, then you can tell me. I'll take action accordingly.
You are right, Vicky. We have to make an arrangement today. If I see her sitting outside the gate, she's doomed. I'll just throw her out of the city.
Come on, why are you scared? There's nothing to fear, don't be afraid. Come on, tell me. Did your family members deliberately throw you out?
She'll stay on the street outside our house. Then people will come and ask her why she's there and what the matter is. And she will tell everyone everything. And then we'll lose our face.
No, Inspector. They haven't thrown me out. It was my wish to come out of the house and sit here.
You are sitting outside of your own accord. You seem to be ill like you've got fever. I get it. Let's go.
Good Lord! What did I see? The inspector's jeep will catch fire? It means the inspector is in danger. What do I do now? What do I do?
Madam! Madam! Madam!
Security! Security! Where did the girl go? Tell me!
She already left, madam. Dripto sir repeatedly told us to take care of her. I went away for a while and she ran away.
Where did she go in this condition? Mr. Dripto will shout at us now.
What? Dripto asked you to take care of the girl.
I don't have a good feeling about this, Sanjukta. We have to do something.
It's been long since I showed my real face, right, Vicky? Now, because of that girl, I have to show my real face.
Inspector, stop! Inspector! Inspector, stop! Just stop! Inspector, please stop!